Most people look under their kitchen sink and see a chaotic disaster of tangled pipes and half-empty cleaning bottles. Adding a massive bloated water tank to that mess is usually a recipe for a total headache. That is exactly why this specific tankless reverse osmosis system is catching so much attention. It gets rid of that giant metal eyesore and replaces it with a slim high-tech box that actually leaves room for your dish soap and sponges. The filtration power here is no joke. We are talking about 7 different stages of cleaning that target the nasty stuff like lead, chlorine, and fluoride. It even goes after those scary forever chemicals that are showing up in water supplies everywhere. The best part is the sheer speed of the flow. Older systems took forever to fill a single glass. You would just stand there waiting and staring at a slow, painful trickle. This unit pushes water through fast enough to fill your cup in just a few seconds. It is much more efficient than the old school setups as well. It wastes far less water down the drain while it cleans, which is a big win for your water bill. But you have to keep in mind that this is not a magic box. It requires constant electricity to function. If your power goes out during a heavy storm, your fancy water filtration goes out with it. That is a major trade-off that catches people off guard. You also have to be ready for the installation process. It is marketed as easy, but you still have to get your hands dirty. You are going to be drilling a hole for the faucet and tapping directly into your cold water line. You have to mount a drain saddle and connect various tubes without making a massive mess. It is definitely a Saturday afternoon project rather than a quick 5-minute task. Once it is running, the water quality is incredibly high. The dissolved solids in the water drop to almost nothing. You get that crisp, clean taste that makes tap water actually drinkable again. Just remember that this level of cleaning is very aggressive. It strips out the beneficial minerals along with the bad contaminants. Some people find the taste a bit flat or empty because of that. You might want to look into adding minerals back in if you are a real water connoisseur. The maintenance is another thing to watch closely. Those specialized filters are not cheap and the pre-filters need swapping every 6 months or so. You have to stay on top of the schedule to keep that water tasting fresh and clean. When you first set it up, do not forget to flush the system thoroughly. You need to run it for a few cycles to clear out any leftover carbon dust from the manufacturing process. It is a solid choice for anyone who wants high-end water without losing all their under-sink storage space. You just have to be comfortable with the price of the replacement filters and the fact that it relies entirely on your wall outlet. It is a modern solution for a very old problem. If you are tired of that chemical smell in your morning coffee, this kind of setup changes the entire experience. It turns your kitchen into a miniature water treatment plant that actually fits in a small cabinet. You get pure water on demand without the bulky tank or the long wait times. This technology really changes the way you think about what comes out of your faucet. No more heavy plastic jugs or constant trips to the store for bottled water. It is a major upgrade for any home.